Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you couch matchmaking improvements. In the beginning, let's go to Kickoff and select any matchmaking, for example classical match. After selecting site and team and kits, we enter matchmaking settings. Here we can select start match, but now in FC26 we can select teams again, select kits without going back, and also we can change sites without going back. These are small but good improvements in the game. Also in team management, now we can create our custom tactics more easily than in FC25. And then we've got special menu for assignments of players. For example, we can quickly say captain, left short free kick, right short free kick, and more. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.